Another subject about bridge components. In the context of civil engineering and infrastructure, a bridge is a structure that allows for passage over obstacles such as rivers, valleys, or other physical barriers. Bridges are composed of various components that work together to ensure stability, load-bearing capacity, and overall functionality. Here are some of the key components commonly found in bridge construction. Deck. The deck is the top surface of the bridge that supports the weight of vehicles, pedestrians, or other loads crossing the bridge. It is the part of the bridge that users directly interact with. Superstructure. The superstructure refers to the portion of the bridge that lies above the piers and abutments. It includes the deck, girders, trusses, or arches that transfer the loads to the supporting substructure. Substructure. The substructure includes the piers, abutments, and foundations that support the weight of the bridge and transfer loads to the ground. Piers are vertical supports in the water or on the ground, while abutments are the supports at the ends of the bridge. Girders. Girders are horizontal beams that support the bridge deck and transfer the load to the piers and abutments. They can be made of steel, concrete, or a combination of materials. Trusses. Truss bridges use a framework of triangular shapes, trusses, to distribute the load efficiently. Truss bridges can be made of steel or timber and are known for their strength and versatility. Arch. An arch bridge has a curved design that transfers the load horizontally along its curve to the supports, abutments or piers, at each end. Arch bridges are often made of stone, concrete, or steel. Cables. Cable-stayed bridges and suspension bridges use cables to support the bridge deck and transfer loads to the towers or pylons. Suspension bridges have main cables from which vertical suspenders hold the deck, while cable-stayed bridges have cables connected directly to the deck. Bearings. Bearings are devices that allow movement and rotation between different bridge components. They are placed between the superstructure and substructure to accommodate thermal expansion, traffic vibrations, and other forces. Expansion joints. Expansion joints are used to allow for small movements in the bridge caused by temperature changes or settlement, helping to prevent cracks and structural damage. Railing, parapet. The railing or parapet is a protective barrier along the sides of the bridge, providing safety for vehicles and pedestrians by preventing them from accidentally going off the edge. Approach slabs. Approach slabs are the transition areas between the bridge deck and the roadway on either side of the bridge. They help reduce the impact of traffic loads on the bridge. Wearing surface. The wearing surface is the top layer of the bridge deck that comes in direct contact with vehicles and pedestrians. It needs to be durable and skid-resistant for safe travel. These are some of the primary components you would find in various types of bridges. Different bridge designs and construction materials may lead to slight variations in these components, but the fundamental principles remain the same for providing safe and efficient passage over obstacles.